gold analysis for our next week trading. So right now we are going to start on the weekly time frame. And when you see this chart like this, it's totally confusing. So I'm going to go to my line chart to understand the pattern of this chart. So on our line chart, you can see that this line form head and shoulder pattern. And you can see that I mark out this neckline, and you can see that the market has already broken this neckline. So I will turn it back on the normal candlestick chart, then I will go to daily time frame. On our daily time frame, you can see the market tested this zone multiple times and trace back to the bullish trend. And on this place, you can also see that market retraced this place multiple times and come back to bearish trend. Now you can see that here the market are bouncing on the demand and supply zone. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that market is already on bullish trend, which is uptrend. And you can see to this place, I just mark out this zone to see, you can see here, market has been consolidating here, and you can see it has a fake out breakout here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to look down by my left. Then you can see I use this green line to mark out this zone to go on my left side to see what market is doing. You can see that market come here, consolidate here and push back, and also consolidate here and push down trend. So, and you can see the market just break out here and also push down trend. So right now, what I'm going to do, if you want to trade this gold this way, now I have moved to 1 hour time frame, and you can see that the market is uptrend. Right now, I'm going to delete this line, trend line. Let's say you want to trade this pair this week. One thing I will advise you is to hold on to see if the market will go and touch this place to reach its support zone before you can trade, and before you can trade this market, for you to be on a safer side. Because if you say, okay, now because market has already retraced this plate multiple times, then you can say, okay, let me go for a short here. Maybe the market will just pull back and take you out, or you say, okay, let me go for a buy now, and market will also pull back and also pull up and also take you out. So for me, this is a trap, right? This is a trap. What I will advise you to do is to wait for market to and retest this zone before you can sell. Because if you are trying to sell from here, maybe market break and retest, if you are trying to sell from here, this is a game of probability. You may hit stop loss on this zone. So do not trade, because I don't know. I won't tell you that this is a high probability zone. No, I will not say so. But what I want you to do is to hold on unless you get a confirmation. All right. Maybe you see a confirmation of a doji candle or a morning star or evening star pattern before you can enter this trade. But from say hold on till the market get to this place. Till the market get to this supply zone. Hold on till market get to the supply zone before you can be able to sell or make any decision you want to make. If you're looking for a good ECN broker or STP broker, you can check the link on my bio. And if you're looking for a good Propfirm, go to Propfirm Match and do your research before you buy any Propfirm to avoid denial of payout. You can also get the link on my bio. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Peace and love. You won't pass like that.